Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Walnut, the game-changing tool for product demos. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or product development, Walnut helps you create interactive and personalized product walkthroughs without writing a single line of code. So we will walk you through the basics of setting up your first demo, customizing it for your prospects, and sharing it with just a link, easy and fast. So if you are ready to wow your leads and boost conversion with demo experiences that actually work, stick around and let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Walnut. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the better option is to click the Get Started. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page. It's very simple. You just have to provide all the information needed, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can also sign up using your Google account. If you do, you will be forwarded to this homepage wherein there's going to be a welcome dialog box wherein you can create your interactive product demos that convert. So you can choose from the following: interactive product tours, customizable demos, or a multi-user collaboration, depending on your preferences. Now, in our case, let's say, how about an interactive product tours? We're gonna click the continue button. Okay, so now, before you can start creating powerful demos with the right plan, you might want to go to the starter plan, which is going to be like $500 per month. And if you wanted to upgrade, we can go to the accelerate, which is $1,550 per month. And you get to have all these. But if you're not comfortable doing that, you might want to click the plus button here that says create your demo. So for example, in our case, let's say Walnut, how to use Walnut. Let me click that continue button. All right, and you can provide your product URL. If you're not sure yet and you just wanted to test waters, it's okay. Just click the skip button. You'll be forwarded here. Now you can add your screens. All right, you can download the extension if you wanted to capture new screens, but for now we're going to be adding that to our Chrome extension because we're using a Google Chrome. We're going to click the add extension, and once you've done that, we're going to be successfully extending our tools productivity using the Walnut Sales Demo Platform Chrome extension. Now you can capture new screens by clicking the capture Walnut. You can create your first demo here. For example, start capturing if you want it, and you need to provide a valid URL. But if you're not sure with that, just click the homepage again. You can also click the browse existing demos. For example, this one, we're gonna go to the homepage, click that, click the next button, and click the continue. All right, so we have that already covered. So we have the homepage already done using this, and now you can create and share the demo. Right, so this is gonna be that. Okay, so we're gonna create this. I'm gonna delete this one right here. And then you have more options on the section. You can replace with media if you want by clicking that and upload your own file. By doing so, we're gonna add our image here, and of course you can undo that. If you're not happy, just click the change image or undo that entirely. Now you can provide more information here as something like you can create a pick behind, hide element, blur element, edit source, or delete everything already. You can add a guide step here, for example a tool tip. You can do that. You can, for example, add with an image right here. Can use it here, maybe around here on the homepage. Okay, so we have that already covered, and click on next. Now we have that new button ready. And that's it. We're successful doing that. And once you're happy with that, click on the preview button. Okay. You have the presenter notes if you wanted to add something here. Now, once you're happy, click the create and share demo. If you wanted to share this template to your client or other team members, you can do so. You can have the access control. You can collect viewers' email, allow non-work domains like this, and you can set the opportunities to connect your CRM, prospect name, deal owner name, and save and copy the demo link. All right. You also have the view settings right here wherein you can save and copy the demo link. You have all that ready covered. So we're going to go back again to the main builder. And if you wanted to add your collaborators, for example, if we're working with their client, you can do so and provide their email. They can edit, they can view, and a lot more. You see, there's going to be more options along the way. You can add variables menu, find and replace, edit AI, the forms if you want to add a new forms, like for example, let's click a new lead form, Walnut. Add this to the lead form in the library. You can also embed a code right here. And then once you're happy with that, click the create and share. And you can also connect to a floating button. That's going to be a new feature here in Walnut. And you can add that already covered. And then click the create and share again if you want to have more advanced options and tools here. Okay. So that's going to be the new demo that you have created using Walnut. Okay, let's go. So I believe we have that already. It's amazing, right? Description, if you want to edit the description right here, you can do so. Click the next button, click next, and we have created a very interactive product demo and walkthrough. All right. Now after that, there's going to be a drop-down menu here. You can enter screen name or ID, and there's going to be, if you want to show some side panels, you can do that. If you want to add a new one, for example, add a screen, you can do so by importing from template if you want, or search for a template. So these are going to be the templates. You could choose which template you want to take screens from. Now, if you feel that some of the elements lacks depth, you might want to go to the gear icon for the template settings. You have more control on the general. You can show spinner, clickable area color if you want to change that. Maybe something like best reflects your brand and identity, you can do so. Okay, click the save button. And of course, you can also hover to the guide section if you wanted to add more screen display and the custom code so you can have more control on your website's template. And with that being said, and that wraps up on our walkthrough using Walnut, the interactive product demo platform that's transforming how teams showcase their products. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to create frictionless, customizable product demos without relying on developers because it's intuitive, collaborative, and built for performance-driven teams. Definitely worth exploring if you are serious about product-led growth. With its no-code editor, analytics tool, and personalized demo option, Walnut makes it super easy to create compelling product experiences that actually convert. Especially if you are in sales, marketing, or product onboarding, Walnut can seriously elevate your customer journey. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment below if you have any questions, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.